Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel. I'm doing a voiceover for the first time ever, so I apologize in advance if this sounds like garbage, but it is on theme for this video today because I'm going to show you guys something I know all about: how to do your makeup while you're having a mental breakdown. Ooh, fun. Am I right, ladies? So you're gonna need a couple things for this tutorial. So first, you're gonna want your hair to just be disgusting and sopping wet. Don't style it or anything because people should just appreciate the fact that you finally showered and took it out of the crusty bun you've been wearing for the past 2 weeks. So second, you're gonna need your skin to just be completely broken out from stress. Ooh. And if I can figure out how to use my hands, there we go. The third thing you're going to need is to wear a giant oversized disgusting shirt. It helps if you have a couple stains, like I have one right here. It's barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, and make sure that you're super oily. So now we can actually jump into the tutorial. So first thing is first, we're going to do brows. So just brush through them and then start filling them in like you're trying to fill the void in your life. Yep, and just ignore the text you just got from your manager asking you to come into work at your minimum wage part-time job, even though you should because you didn't go to college. Now we're going to go in using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. We're just going to fill in the brows with that dark color in the corner. We're going to try to make them look as similar as possible because maybe if your eyebrows match, your life will stop falling apart. Don't even bother concealing them. It's pointless. I'm sure that they look fine. Make sure to brush through them with a brow gel because you want them to stay in place all day when you've been forced to leave your home and go into the public. Now we're going to prime the eyes, which probably doesn't even do anything, but we can pretend. Also, just forget everything that you need, so you have to get up 20 times throughout the video. Just clean your brushes off in your hand. Don't even bother actually cleaning them with soap. I'm sure that it's fine. Now I'm going to use the Violet Voss palette, which is a palette I bought in the middle of the night for way too much money because I wanted it forever, but it turns out it's not even that good. Love it when that happens. We're going to take that little brown color called Are You Kidding Me and just shove it in the crease, just swiping around a ton. It's fine, nothing matters. And just clean it off in your hand again, it's fine. Now we're going to use that burgundy shade in the crevice. Just throw it in the crease as well, just messily, it's fine. And then you're going to want to do the same for the other eye as well. Now we're going to blend because that fixes everything. Yes, just keep blending until everything works out. Now we're going to darken up the crease a bit with this dark purple brownie shade. Now we're going to go into this sparkly copper shade called Glamping, something I would never do because it involves leaving the house. So we're going to go in with some Marc Jacobs foundation. It's super amazing because it covers up everything from pimples to your feelings. Yeah, make sure to blend it down your neck as well because it doesn't match your face anymore because you've stopped going outside. Then we're going to go over that with our disgusting beauty blender to get rid of any streaks. Now we're going to conceal, and I'm using the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea concealer, and then just conceal your under eye bags and any pimples just like you conceal your feelings. Now we're going to set our foundation and concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and we're just going to pack that on our face. We're going to go back in with that Violet Voss palette using that burgundy shade again. This actually turned out way more pink than I thought it would be. I was going for burgundy, but that's fine. Okay, then we're going to discover that we've gone way too dark, so I'm going to use a shade called So Jelly, and it's this light pink, and I'm just going to sweep that in the inner corner. And then I'm going to highlight my brow bone and inner corner with that color called Crystal. Then I'm suddenly going to get nice and close so you guys can actually see, and discover we blended too high, and fix it, and then just do the same thing again. I decided to go with a pink/burgundy look because that way if you start crying, your eyes will match the shadow and people will just think it's part of the look. I love being a genius. Now we're going to put some mascara on the lower lashes. Learn from my mistakes and make sure to use a waterproof. I actually have eyelash extensions so I can even look pretty when I cry. Shout out to you, Lana Del Rey. So I'm not going to need to put on any kind of fake lashes today. And now we're going to pretend that we have some cheekbones using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, using the middle shade with the hole in it so you know which one I obviously use the most. And then just blend that under your cheekbones and around your face. Make sure to do your nose as well. And yep, just literally get up in the middle of your tutorial. Like, no, it's fine. Oh yeah, make sure to take a snack break. I made oatmeal, which doesn't even really look like oatmeal because I can somehow mess up oatmeal from a box that literally has 3 steps. Now I'm going to go in with some blush. I just used the NARS Orgasm, but PSA don't support them because they suddenly decided they wanted to test on animals. And then just highlight your cheeks with Benefit What's Up. Once again, don't support them, LOL. And then I'm going to highlight using my Kylie French Vanilla highlighter, which looks disgusting, but it's amazing. Just make sure to essentially put the highlighter everywhere that you can. And realize that you suddenly hate your eye makeup, so you have to add glitter, because glitter fixes everything. I'm just using the Diosa, the label glitter, and don't even bother putting glitter glue down, I'm just slapping it on. And now we're going to set the face using the NYX setting spray. I'm going to use the Kylie Gina gloss because I'm too dehydrated to use a matte lipstick. Oh wait, what's that? Water? No, don't worry, it's not real water because who would want to actually be hydrated? Now I'm going to throw my hair back up into that crusty little bun that it's been in, shout it with a barbecue sauce stain again, and then I'm just going to pull a few pieces out to try and make it look cute, but I'm going to end up looking homeless. So here is the final look. I think it's super cute for any occasion, like a midlife crisis, a close family member dying, or maybe prom. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, you can subscribe and like all down below. And if you're feeling a little extra crazy, you can even leave a comment. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!